My name is Dan Peer. I'm the head of the Laboratory of Nanomedicine at Tel Aviv University. I'm also between the first winners of the Untold News Awards. And we invented a technology that can target specific cancer cells. So I lost my mother to cancer about 24 years ago. I decided that I want to spend most of my life trying to overcome those really challenges in treatment of cancer. I invented, together with Professor Shlomo Magdassi from Tel Aviv University, basically a cancer bullet that can entrap chemotherapy in a very friendly manner and deliver it specifically with minimal adverse effect or side effects. Cancer does not ask, are you from Israel, are you Jewish, are you Muslim, are you coming from Denmark, or are you coming from Saudi Arabia? We're trying to focus on disease, on curing disease, and trying to improve the quality of life and trying to minimize suffer. You know, I think that most people in the world want to live quietly, comfortably, healthier. And I think that what Marcella is doing is try to show them through Untold News that there is a way to do it and to engage also innovation coming from a small country in the size of New Jersey.
My name is Idan Tobis. I invented metallic ligament prosthesis, and I'm the winner of the first Untold News Award. It's called the Fix and Run. It's a prosthetic knee ligament. We've taken out the whole harvesting issue, so now there's only implantation. Instead of harvesting tissue from your leg, the physician would go to the storage room and take one of our ligaments and put it inside instead. So it's much less invasive. There's almost no pain, no scarring, and you can go back to your normal life, walking, going to work within 2 to 4 days. But the most important thing is that you can go back to your favorite sports, and that's the whole point of having this surgery, within 2 to 3 months rather than a year. One of the patients in the clinical study was actually a female national team handball player who tore her ACL, and she got back to the game, to playing in the national team after 2.5 months. I'd like to thank Marcella Rosen, who is the innovator really of Untold News, for having this idea, for telling the truth about Israel, and of course for everything she's done for us, for this competition, for the award, for treating us very nicely, for hosting us here in New York City. It was a great adventure, I think.
I'm a professor of chemistry at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. What I invented is a new way to make transparent conductors. Every one of us has in his pocket a cell phone, smartphone that you touch and you can see through, and it can feel where your finger is. So this is actually a transparent conductor. The resulting touchscreen, if you bend it, they break. So our invention enables making a very, very simple, low-cost process that can enable also to print touchscreens on plastics. So what we see here is the printed touchscreen that we made. You see that when I touch it, it lights up, meaning that it senses my finger, but it is also transparent. It is bendable also. So imagine that we can put this on an iPhone or any other smartphone, and we can bend it in the future. I was really excited to get this award, personally and also for Israel, because it really brings the untold news about Israel. So it's two joys. Most of things really are initiated with one person, and Marcella Rosen is a real dynamo in this sense, and it's a great initiative, and she's a real inventor.